like we had something. Tonight I'll be kissing, but I don't really have a case. You don't have to mention, you just like their attention.
Hello guys, hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Ruva. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for joining the family. If you are new here, kindly subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop a new video you'll be notified. So in today's video I'm gonna show you guys how I do my cluster lashes at home. So you know, if you are that girly on a budget, you wanna do some DIY at home, of course you can do it at home, and I'm gonna show you how I do my own lashes. So let's get into it. So these are the products I use. I use lashes which I got from Shein, and they usually come with the glue, and which has two sides, the bonding side and the seal side as well. So you can also buy the glue, but sometimes you can also use the glue which is the bonding hair bonding glue. It's actually good, but then you gotta be careful because it has that stickiness on it. So if you don't properly apply, you're gonna have a problem with that. And this is just a glue removal paste, just in case you have lashes before and you want to remove them before you apply new lashes. You use that one to remove the glue and the lashes. I also use teasers or tweezers, whatever they call them, for application. And you just gotta make sure that they are properly cleaned, wiped, and you know they're good to go, because if they have glue on them, they're gonna be sticky when you're applying your lashes, and you don't want that. So you just gonna make sure that they are properly cleaned, properly wiped, so that you're gonna have an easy application. And what I usually do, personally for me, I've been doing this for quite some time, so I'm now used to it. But if you're a beginner, you can try to arrange your lashes before you start application. So you just arrange them depending with the size you are going for. You arrange them, you put them on a surface or something like that, where you can be picking one by one and applying, so that it doesn't take time. Because sometimes if you wait to remove the lashes from the box, then you apply, the glue will be drying, and you don't want that. So to avoid problems like that, or to avoid, you know, minor mistakes, you just gotta, you know, make sure that you prepare everything. You take your things, you take your lashes, your glue, everything, you lay them on one place, so that when you start application, it's an easy go, touch and go. You just start applying, and you don't have problems with the glue drying up, you trying to figure out how to remove lashes from the box, and how to, you know, holding them with the tweezer, then applying them with on your eye. That can be, you know, a hassle for a beginner. But yeah, I recommend arranging your stuff before you start applying. That's what I used to do when I was starting as well, which is very good. And you know, you're just gonna apply the lashes one by one after the other, depending with the volume you're going for, depending with the look you're going for. Some people, when they go with the first round, they also, you know, want to put another round, which means they want, you know, that well-defined volume. But for me personally, I prefer one line, because the lashes are they have a high volume, so I don't need to put 2 layers or 3 layers for them to be well defined. So I just go with one layer, and that will be okay for me. But if you have a different type of lashes, and you know, they don't have that high volume that you prefer, or for the look you're going for, there's an option that you can put the first layer, then after applying the first layer, you can go for the second layer as well. Then you can have that properly defined look on a budget. And personally, I feel like this is what every girl needs. You need this type of skills at home, especially you are on a budget. You don't want to do lashes every month. You don't want to go to the salon and be charged $50, $60 or something like that. You can just, you know, buy them from Shein, and they something like $1 or less than $1 even. You can get your lashes from Shein and you can apply them for yourself. Honestly, I don't see the problem with that, and I don't see anything wrong with saving every coin you have and perfecting your skills, and at the same time having that girly look, that boss lady look on a budget. So that is how I usually do it, guys, and I feel like yeah, I have well explained everything when it comes to applying. And as for taking care of your lashes, how are they going to last, how long do they last? For me, they usually last like 2 weeks, but that will also depend with the way you are handling them or the type of maintenance you are giving them. If you're just washing your face anyhow, brushing the towel over them, they're not gonna last for a long time. So that depends on how you are treating them on, or how you are taking care of them. But using the glue, personally for me, they last up to 2 weeks, which means you're gonna apply another other for like 2 weeks, the other 2 weeks, then the month is over. So yeah, that is honestly, I can work with that. I can work with that. But if they don't last a week for you, or they don't last 2 weeks for you, you can, apply as well, because it doesn't take 2 minutes. It doesn't take even a long time to apply them. You just have to master your craft. After mastering how to apply them, everyone has got a different way of applying them. You just gotta find what is easier for you, then you go with that. So yeah, that is all I had about, when it comes to explaining and everything. So yeah, guys, just continue watching the video. Make sure that you watch until the end. Probably you're gonna have one or two things to pick or to learn from the video, and you can apply for your next video or for your next application. When you apply as well, you can also take tips from the video. Thank you so much. So yeah, watch till the end.